substance have a somewhat changed. We have already learned about physical and chemical change of a matter in your previous class. When your chemical change occurs, the identity of the initial substance, the somewhat the change, which the already the about physical and chemical change, and matter is in your previous class. Whenever the chemical change occur, we say the chemical reaction take place. If the paragraph wondering is so the actually meant by chemical reaction. How do you come now? The chemical reaction is that taken place. Let us the perform some activity. Find the answer this question. You have the many paragraph. The wondering, be one. Wondering has the two actually meant by chemical reaction. How do you come the now chemical reaction has the taken place? Let is the perform activity. Find the answer this question. Activity 1. Activity 1. In this activity, the teacher has answered the what is the better the situation where suitable the eyeglass cleaning magnesium ribbon about 3.4 meter along with is the sandpaper. We have the must have the absorber the magnesium ribbon bun with is the dialysis white form and the change white powder. We must जो absorb magnesium ribbon बन होता है और dialysing white form में और change करता है white powder का. This powder is the magnesium oxide और जो वो बनता है वो magnesium oxide में बनता है. जो बनता है magnesium the must have absorbed that a magnesium ribbon bun with is the dilation white form the change white powder और वो मैग्नीशियम जो प्रेजेंस होता है प्रेजेंट रहता है एयर में मैग्नीशियम 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 प्रेजेंट रहता है एयर में उसमें 3 एक्टिविटी रहता है दैट एंड इज द फॉलोइंग एब्जॉर्प्शन द हेल्प इज द डिटरमाइन वेयर द केमिकल रिएक्शन टेक प्लेस जो फ्रॉम द अबव जो अबव है वो 3 स्टेट क्या है चेंज इन स्टेट चेंज स्टेट को चेंज करता है चेंज इन कलर कलर को चेंज करता है चेंज इन टेम्परेचर कलर को चेंज करता है टेम्परेचर को चेंज करता है और फिर स्टेट को भी चेंज करता है वो एज द ऑब्जर्व द चेंज अराउंडिंग वी कैन सी दैट थ्री लार्ज चेंज अराउंड वी कैन सी द थ्री large variety the chemical reaction taking place around us. We will study about the various types of chemical reaction symbolic chemical equation represented करते by using symbol and formula. Formation of hydrogen gas, action the dilute sulfuric acid and zinc. We can describe and a magnesium ribbon is the bond in oxygen. It get the converted the magnesium oxide description of the chemical reaction sentence from acute long will written in the shorter from the simplest way. The right is the form of word equation. The word of equation above reaction would be the substance is the under the chemical change reaction. The magnesium in the oxygen at the reaction. The new substance is magnesium oxide form of the during reaction as the product. The word of the equation shows change in the reaction product through in the arrow place in the the reaction between the reaction. Hmm? Similarly, product and the right and right band RHS and plus sign between them is the arrow word the towards the product the direction of the reaction. Is there any sorted way represented? Can be made more is the consist useful if is the use the chemical formula inside of the word. The chemical equation represented is if you recall formula magnesium oxygen and magnesium और ऑक्सीजन मिलकर मैग्नीशियम मैग्नीशियम और ऑक्सीजन जो मिलकर मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड बनता है. तो ये कौन सा बैलेंस हो जाएगा Mg प्लस O2 तो MgO ठीक. तो can't the compare the number of the atom which element on the RHS and LHS with the number of atom each number of each element on the RHS and LHS the number of the atom each element same the both sides the RHS और LHS दोनों में सेम बोथ साइड रहता है फिर the same on the such is the chemical equation. Scatter is the chemical reaction equation. The skeletal skeletal chemical equation and magnesium. The chemical equation during magnesium in air balance chemical equation recall is the law of observation of mass study with 9 mass of the rather created the not destroyed. Destroys is the chemical reaction that is the total mass of element represented the product of chemical reaction as be equal total mass of element present in the reaction reactant. फिर जिंक सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड जिंक प्लस सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड तो जिंक सल्फर प्लस हाइड्रोजन Zn plus H2O Zn plus H2O तो Zn plus